Alright guys, before you start cutting their hair, make sure you brush or comb their hair first. Alright, first I got my wall seniors lever closed to set my first ball line. You can use trimmers also, but I prefer use clippers as a beginner. Alright, next guideline here, I got the lever open this time, going by about a half an inch so, and just keep it the same width. Alright, next guideline is the one guard open. So right here, I'm trying to flick out, but I couldn't. So over the course, you will see me go with the grain this time. And after that, I just close the lever. And I just flick out motion instead of that guideline, instead of open. Next guideline is a zero halfway instead of close. I started halfway, soften up the middle line, and after that, close it fully and just finish it off. Alright y'all, last step is to lever it halfway, soften on the bottom line, and after that, close it so you should easily take out the bottom line. And right here y'all, you can see me get my 1.5 guard closed and just scooping out to debulk that area too. Alright guys, it's the same steps for the back, so I'm gonna speed this part up. Alright, y'all, the most important thing is detailing. Make sure you detail your work after you get done with the fade. Take a look back, see any dark spots, and clean that area up. Okay, right here I am prepping my client hairline, making sure everything is bring down, all the baby hairs is brushed down before I start lining him up. As y'all can see that bottom line right there. Don't worry about it. After the cut, I showed him the mirror and he said, "Oh, your little touch up right there." So pretty much at the end, he looked at it and see there's some arrows. So it wasn't a whole lot, but a little. And he wanted his hairline a lot sharper. Alright, show him cut, you see what you like it,
That's what I like, nigga.
If 12 coming, we gonna take them on the chase.
I'm not gonna lie, you kind of remind me.
Just a cold heart and a bang on
That
my
was
waist.
pretty much the cut right there. I try to spin around and to show you the results. Man was like 200 pounds, man, and I could not turn him, dog. You know what I'm saying? It's your man, Hitman. Peace.
What this?